Start over.
I'll put it back in the house.
Okay.
Put the birds back over the water.
Okay. Those are your birds. And what's that? They're eggs?
Yeah. The birds were on a fun trip with their eggs. They were so happy, and they went for a walk and left the eggs behind. And Grandpa Pig went off to get the eggs and with the nest.
Why did he take the eggs?
Because he said there were bacon inside.
Bacon?
Yeah, there were baby birds.
Oh, baby birds inside.
Actually,
So you said bacon.
Birds came back and the eggs were frozen.
And what happened when they found out their eggs were gone?
And actually, the yellow bird noticed who stole the eggs. The pigs.
Dun dun dun.
and actually, the pigs are going to call themselves stupid pigs.
Okay. What kind of noise do they make?
Hey, he, hey, he.
Oh.
Hey, he, hey, he.
Okay. So then what happens?
Then they'll slingshot. They fly on their slingshot. First one was Blackbird.
Is that the bomb bird?
Blackbird is going to get the Grandpa Pig.
What kind of noise does the bird make, though?
The Blackbird thinks,
Okay.
and the bird gets Kid Pig. Wait a minute.
What noise does the yellow bird make?
Really? Whee! And it got super fast. And there was a last bird left.
Which one's that?
It's the red bird. And it says, ah, hee-ha. And this bird was going to get the last pig. It was in there. And it was so dark, the bird just got there and stopped the pig.
Whoa!
And actually, red bird was going to get the eggs. And all the pigs were defeated.
All the pigs were defeated. Is that the end?
Yes.
Not yet.
And the eggs will become the hatch. Yummy pie.
Oh.
Can you put the pie in
The baby's toys are talking. Is that the end?
in the buds, and that's the end.
The end. Now you bow. Bow. You know what a bow is? When you're done, you go like this. The end. Ta-da! Angry Birds by Jackie.